So the immune system has to pass so that it can cure all diseases, just like any other person.
Other animals lower in category than man, do they have also their own
Oh
doctor?
yes. Daghang kaayo. Ha? Daghang kaayo. Mga bumito na mga bright nga mga doktor wa kabantay ni. Ha? Nga naman ang ulmigas, mga langaw, mga lamok is living side by side with us. Nga wa man tala sila medical university. Wa sila doktor o World Health Organization. And why are they alive? Because they have their own immune system. Sama na to. Takamang tao makaaging ospital.
Then what is the difference between your realignment therapy and that conventional and normal healing of the World Health Organization and medical men?
Daghan kayo.
Unsa man ang ipasabot yan?
With no fear of contradiction and using the medical books as my best evidence. Ilang medical books as the best evidence. World Health Organization and the medical schools of the world today